Oh my goodness. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. I'm getting eaten alive. So, oh, I just felt a raindrop, but the sky is clear. Oh, it's probably from the trees because it was pouring rain earlier. So anyway, someone gave me a present. They gave me a selfie stick. But I'm resistant to change, so I haven't used it yet. They really think I should use this selfie stick. I'm overwhelmed by the selfie stick. I am. I'm overwhelmed by it. I gotta figure out how to put it in the thing and how to hold it and all that and whatnot. So I'm overwhelmed by it, so I haven't used it. It's sitting in my briefcase still for like a couple weeks. What? I haven't used it. It's too much for me. Well, maybe for the group shots at work at Julie's, that would be good because I'm cutting people's heads off. Oh my, the mosquitoes, they're driving me crazy. Oh my gosh, that's a pileated woodpecker. I'm gonna try to be quiet so maybe you can hear it. Cool, huh?